everyone! In today's video, I will show you how to find the CV template in Microsoft Word. First, go to Microsoft Word, then click on File and select New. Then click on Resume and Cover Letters or type CV in the search bar and click on the search icon. Now here you have multiple templates to choose from. Just select one of them. Let's select this one, for example. Then click on Create. Now to change or to edit a text, just double click on it or click on the placeholder and change it. Double click on the header to open the header and the footer, and to change a picture, just right click on it, then select Format Object from the drop down menu, go to the Fill and Line, select Fill, and select File to insert a picture from your computer, or Online to select an online picture. So let's insert a picture from the computer. Select the picture, then click on Insert. Now go to the Format tab and click on Crop, then select Fill. Now you can adjust the picture inside of the frame. And once you're done, just click outside the picture. To close the header, just go back to Design under the Header and Footer tools and click on Close Header and Footer. Now here you can change the objective, add your experience, education, communication, leadership, and references. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.